on the phone, and they're telling me we're not allowed to use the word because it's a sensitive word. So yeah, this is live on YouTube. This is Karl James Langford doing a voice recording on phone to Charity Commission. We're not allowed to use the word Cymru in the registration of a charity. It's a sensitive word, and the English Charity Commission.
Hello. Thank you for your patience.
Yeah, hiya.
Right. Okay, so do you have the application number you originally applied for the charity under?
Yeah, I've got the application number.
Yeah.
And
would you,
yeah, I can.
Sorry,
Yeah,
if you provided that for me, please.
Right. Okay. Right. It's as you can imagine, it took me a whole day to try and do this application. It took me a whole day to do the Constitution, to have this rejected. And to be honest with you, there was so much nonsense on the application, i.e. how much money have you collected as a charity so far? Well, you can't collect money; it's illegal before you register as a charity. And there's all these silly questions, and to have this rejected with a letter in front of me saying that we're not going to go any further unless you get approval to use the word Cymru. So so the details are
that's
5.
Different. It's not a rejection, but with certain words, you have to obtain approval from certain bodies to be able to use it. If you give me the application,
okay, I will
take a look at that letter and just try and explain it to you a bit better.
Okay then. Okay, as you can imagine, I'm really upset. I'm really livid, and the application. There's 2 numbers here. There's one starting 2 and there's one 5182345. So that's 5182345. This is an application to register as a charity. Adver Hanes Cymru, yeah.
Sorry, I'm probably not pronouncing.
No, don't worry about it. As you can imagine, this isn't necessarily getting at you. It's getting at the fact that as you can imagine, we try to pride ourselves in Wales about trying to use our own language, but we're not allowed to use it. So.
Okay, let's have a look. So it's like, for example, even to use the word charity in a charity name, you have to obtain consent from some reason. So I'm just reading this letter now.
Right. Okay. And I'm quite impressed with the fact that you've managed to deal with my highbrow call, because I am really annoyed.
Don't worry, that's absolutely fine, no problem.
Okay.
So it looks like there were other reasons for rejection, but I'm just going to try and find out what would name. Okay. So sensitive words or expression of charity CEO's name, third party organisation, bodies to grant their non-objection. Okay, so I'm just trying to find out. Okay. Before company's house coming for approval. And no letter of non-objection. Okay. So it looks to me like so like the word charity, for example, is considered a sensitive word with registration and the charity names in general. It looks like you need to obtain permission from a organisation to use the word Cymru in particular.
Right. Okay, so can I just stop a minute, right? So. So yeah, I know you can't give an answer. So it's Adver Hanes Cymru, which basically Adver means restoring, Hanes means history, and Cymru means Wales. So if we'd registered this as Adver Hanes, right, that there was no objection with those words. So that's
right, yeah. So the sensitive word was Cymru. So it's similar to the word charity, or there are a few other sensitive words as well, which would require outside permission for us to be able to adopt that as a charity name for a CIO. So the Commission has no discretion over this. They are Companies House rules. So that's what it states there. It just says we wish to state that the Commission has no discretion over this. These are rules for the Companies House. So if you write to Companies House and explain you wish to use the word Cymru within the charity name, the Companies House should be able to provide you a letter of non-objection
Right.
to be able to attach with your application.
So right, here's me off my high horse. What you're saying, right, is that I had to register a limited company for the business that I run, and in September, right, and the company's house then said that I was not allowed to use the word Cymru, right? So what you're saying, let me get this right. We were not allowed to use the word in the title of the business that we wanted to register then for the limited company. What you're saying is to try and register a charity, which is another executive agency within the government, within HMRC. I've got to go to another executive agency to register the charity. So I need a letter from the company's house to...
it's stating that, so I'm just going to see. So more information, including practical guidance about this legislative change available. Right, I'm just going to open that link myself to see if I can find some information with regards to that.
Can I just say how diabolical this sounds, because I've got to go to another body within HMRC to ask permission for us to register a charity. And even I know before I do that they're going to reject it, because I couldn't register a limited company through Company's House. So how am I going to register? I'm struggling now.
It may be slightly different for CIO because it's a charitable incorporated organisation. It's not a company limited by guarantee. So I'm just looking at the guidance there, which is linked you to. So it says, following the change in registration, Company's House will need to check whether a CIO's proposed name includes sensitive words or expressions set out in Company Limited blah blah Regulations 2014 that require the prior approval of Company's House. Okay. So it says, please note how some of these companies contact Company's House in respect to the word charity, charitable, where the sensitive words. It's the following email address you need to email to obtain consent to use the word Cymru. You don't know until you actually apply to them whether they'll actually reject it or not. So I would definitely give it a try with Company's House, because with the rules of CIOs are slightly different to company limited by guarantee. So if you email into enquiries@companieshouse.gov.uk.
Sorry, inquiries at...
Company's House.
Company's
House.
Companieshouse.gov.uk. I'll run that past you again. Inquiries, ENQUIRIES at companies, COMPANIES, house, one word, .gov.uk.
That's right, yeah. And if you include the term CIO in the subject line of your email to Company's House.
CIO, okay. Right.
Okay, so you just need to write to them through that email address, ask them that obviously inform that you are applying to be a CIO, and that you wish to use this word Cymru within the charity name, and just explain that the registration team advised you to email into this to obtain consent first of all.
Right. Okay. So in getting that permission or in failing that permission, are we able to appeal?
You can appeal any decision made by Charities Commission through the Charity Commission homepage. It's under the corporate information, which if you scroll down to the bottom of the homepage, there's a complaints procedure link there. That will allow you to complain about any service we provided or a decision made by the Charity Commission.
But this isn't a decision made by the Charity Commission, it's a decision made by Company's House.
Will have something quite similar, I imagine, on their website or through their phone lines.
So it's 50-50 that we won't be able to use this the word Cymru by the looks of it.
So it's down to Company's House at this stage. So like I say, if you apply for permission from them through the email address I've just given to you, so that's in Company's House hands now. So just wait on their reply to see what they say. If they reject it, you may have to drop Cymru from the name itself, but the other two words in the name don't look like they've caused any issues there.
So can I say one thing, right? What happens next, to whatever decision is, and we need to proceed, Do we have to go through a brand new application?
Yes, it looks like you would have to, because I think there were other reasons as well. The application's not been completed in full and does not. So there are other issues with the trustee declaration form and the employment as well. So if you read through the rest of that email, take on board the feedback, what they've given you beyond the names of the charity.
So
you would have to complete a new application.
So every time there's a mistake on it, I've got to complete a brand new application.
Yeah. Unfortunately, that's just the way the registration team works.
So every single time. Right. So this could take years.
Okay. So provided they've gone through the application for every stage of it, so the charity name wasn't the only issue. The application it says was incomplete. So the issues there were the trustee declaration form.
Right.
So there was trustee signatures and dates missing from that. Okay. So so next time you do your application, if you don't use electronic signatures, you need to use wetting signatures and then scan them in.
Right.
So that's an issue easy to sort out with the next application.
Okay.
The next issue was to do with employment. So trustees not require registration number to begin their work for all meetings. So if trustees expenses and payments. These words, not refused to register, but we have not received a full application and unable to make a considered assessment. So whenever the registration team assess any application, if there are any parts of that are incomplete, they have to automatically reject it because they can't fully assess the application. So it looks like the employment section wasn't quite fully filled in. So they've attached some guidance on trustee expenses and payments and charities and meetings. Okay. So you're able to complete those sections in full. So provided you've taken that on board with the next application, it should go through okay. The rest of it looks like was fine. So if you resubmit with the information you originally provided, plus taking on board the feedback they're giving you on those sections, it should go through okay next time.
So the Constitution that I spent a hell of a lot of time on, right? Was there any issues to do with that?
It doesn't look like it, no. It's just within the application itself. So trustee declaration forms, once that's all sorted, using wet ink signatures and proper dates in there, that should be fine. And it's to do with the employment section of the application form as well.
Okay. Right. Okay. I'll we knew there was going to be a problem with the Cymru bit, but we didn't think it was going to be this. The thing is, right? Can I just ask you a question? Not to sort of take up loads more of your time, but right. So I've had to have something to eat. Right. You've got organisations called Shelter Cymru, RNIB Cymru, Mewn Cymru, Autism Cymru, Mind Cymru. Diabetes.
They will have all sought consent from Companies House before registering that name. So it's not that they won't allow you to use it; it's just that prior consent is needed from Companies House for legal reasons.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So right. So what I need to do is contact Companies House. Yeah.
That's right. Yeah. So once you've got your consent from them, they'll provide that private document to you with that consent. You just need to attach that consent letter to the application next time you submit it.
I'll just get on with that. Is this call being recorded? Is this being noted on the file?
Yes, I'll have call notes with the application number, and it does record the calls as well.
And I'm going to give my name. It's karl-james Langford.
karl-james Langford.
That's the one.
So I'll
yes.
pop a note on the call there as well, just to state that you're concerned with that as well. All right.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No problem. Okay. You take care now.
Take care. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. For the recording people, folks, I know this is live and I know there's other people watching this. I'm going to now make a phone call to another government agency, which is the Companies House, which has ultimate authority to issue the word Cymru. which I'm going to call now, being that I've got a company already registered, and I'm a director of it, so I will phone them now. So we'll just keep this live. Company's house, and whoever's watching this, thank you very much for being on board. Obviously, haven't got my image on here, but doesn't matter. So I've got to phone company's house, and I'm probably going to get very racist towards English people. Right. Okay. Right. I'm gonna phone company's house now. And I've got other listening ears. And you may as well tell her I'm live on YouTube. So, well, I'm gonna go on a full call with company's house now, and find out what's going on, because it's very racist. I got very irate, and my Michelle was saying, "Why are you getting so irate?" And it's I get very upset with not being able to use the Welsh language, and I'll say it for the recording. I'm still a member of a certain political party, and that political party won't allow me to be racist against English people at all. But it's the English people who are telling us what we can and we can't do in my own country, and English people wouldn't like to be told what to do in their country, and that's what we're doing now. So I'm trying to get through to charity commission, to company's house. It's very these types of things really wind me up, and it makes life very, very difficult that you can't do very, very simple things. And that's the thing. So oh God, can't get through to company's house. Company's house should still be open at this stage, and it's just a matter of haven't done anything like this before on this level of live. Company's house, got a number for company's house now. I do get very, oh God, I'll phone company's house in England. That's the best way to do it. Right, okay. Oh God, I've been disconnected. $4500. Phoning. I'm going to phone company's house in London. Hope it's not one of these calls that you're not.
Thank you for calling company's house.
Here we go.
Our phone lines are open.
Get these English people on the line.
Noise as our advisors are working from home.
Let's get them on the ropes.
For latest updates about our services, please visit gov.uk/company's house. Public access to our offices in Cardiff, Belfast and Edinburgh is restricted due to the coronavirus outbreak. Our London office is closed. For the latest information on how we're maintaining our services during the coronavirus outbreak, visit gov.uk/company's house. For training and quality monitoring purposes, your call may be recorded. Have your reference, company name or number to hand. For more details on how your personal data is used, see our privacy policy on gov.uk. Please tell us why you're calling today, and we'll put you through to someone who can help with your query.
Registration of a name.
Thank you. We're now putting you through to a member of the General Inquiry Scheme. You're through to company's house. We are experiencing a high volume of calls. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. We'll call back later.
What? Right, try and get through to Companies House. The legal use of the word Cymru. Let's just see if I can get through again. Companies House, Cardiff. They're still open. It's been on their website. Companies House. And government agencies are still closed. So why? When everything's back open in the country, apparently. Just excuses. Right, let's say, so I'm going to try and see if I can get through to Companies House now in Cardiff. And give it another go. If I can't get through, then I've got this recorded as damn right English racism. Not allowed to use the word Welsh or Cymru because it's a sensitive word. We're not allowed to use the word Cymru without permission from the English. So I'm going to see if I can make this call to Companies House.
Are open.
Yeah.
You may hear some background noise as our advisors are working from home.
Can't even get through
For
to
latest
anyone.
updates about our services,
So
please visit gov.uk/companies house.
everyone's
Public access to our offices in Cardiff, Belfast and Edinburgh is restricted due to the coronavirus outbreak. Our London office is closed. For the latest information on how we're maintaining our
translation can't be bothered to go to work.
outbreak, visit gov.uk/companies house. For training and quality monitoring purposes, your call may be recorded. Have your reference, company name or number to hand. For more details on how your personal data is used, see our privacy policy on gov.uk. Please tell us why you're calling today and we'll put you through to someone who can help with your query.
General inquiries.
Thank you.
Hopefully I can speak
We're
to
now
someone.
putting you through to a member of the General Inquiries team. You're through to Companies House. We are experiencing a high volume of calls. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. We'll call back later.
Can't get through. Try again. Another number.
Reading the reviews on Companies House is not great.
No, Companies House. I should have an internal number for Companies House. Oh, fun and games. This I loving it. Absolutely loving this. So Companies House number still live on YouTube. Companies House. Just gonna see where we've got, and if we can't get anywhere. General inquiries for Companies House. Right. Oh God, general inquiries. Can't find a phone number for them. I've got. Oh God, another. See if I can get through to this number. So it looks like we're gonna have to send an email to Companies House to find out. Just gonna say I want permission to use the word Cymru, you English bastards. I wonder if maybe that's what I should do. I'll send that as an email through.
Thank you for calling Companies House. Our phone lines are open. You may hear some background noise as our advisors are working from home. For latest updates about our services, please visit gov.uk/companies house. Public access to our offices in Cardiff, Belfast and Edinburgh is restricted due to the coronavirus outbreak. Our London office is closed.
Usual
For
excuse.
latest information on how we're maintaining our services during the coronavirus outbreak, visit gov.uk/companies house. For training and quality monitoring purposes, your call may be recorded. Have your reference, company name or number to hand. For more details on how your personal data is used, see our privacy policy on gov.uk. Please tell us why you're calling today and we'll put you through to someone who can help with your query. Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding you. Could you please repeat the reason you're calling today?
Registered company.
Thank you. now putting you through to a member of the General Inquiries team. Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
Yeah, right. Illegal use of the word Cymru. So we'll see if we can get through now. I'm going to write an email now.
Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can. Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can. Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
Oh, great. Love this music.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Great.
All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house.
Let's type this
Or
in.
stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
Right, do it. Inquiries at companies.
Sorry to
Inquiries
keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment.
companies.
Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can. Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment.
Word.
Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
I could do a brand new application. I could do everything again. I'm going to take more time off now.
Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can. lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can. Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
Right, this is the email I'm going to send. Registering a CIO with sensitive word. Dear Racist Companies House, we have had the word rejected by the Charity Commission to use the word Cymru for a new charity. We have to have permission off the English-run Companies House for the use of a word in Cymraeg, which is racist on your part. Can we have permission to use the word Cymru? Please, begging the English again. Gone. Sent. We've got to beg to use the word Cymru. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can. Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
Right, okay, well, we'll keep this for Companies House to come on, so I'll just keep it going.
Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
Well, I want it then.
Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
Had an email back from Companies House saying they will try and get a reply out to us because they're working hard because of COVID, which doesn't exist anymore. Another excuse. This really winds me up.
Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment.
Really does wind me up.
For more information at gov.uk/companies
Really does.
house.
Right.
Stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can. Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
What? Just speak it out.
our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
Oh, it's okay. I'm going to get her through the teeth now. She's refusing to eat.
Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment.
So you're going to get her through the
Please
teeth
visit our
because she
website
hasn't
for
fed
more
her.
information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can. Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can. Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment.
Well, Companies House have already responded.
Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk/companies house. Or stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can. Sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at
Well,
gov.uk/companies house.
whoever's listening, it's too late for them to answer because they've gone past their time. Just give it a few more minutes and then we'll have to end the call. So irate. Right, okay, I'm going to end the call now. I'm going to end the call. And, 24. Okay, I'm going to end the call. So in other words, I'm being able to get hold of Company's House. And
sorry to keep you waiting. All our lines are busy at the moment. Please visit our website for more information at gov.uk.
Yeah, basically,
We'll stay on the line and we'll answer your call as soon as we can.
So basically, somebody's given you an answer to the Cymru thing, and online they've said, "Hi, I don't know if you're live online to Company's House." Yes, I am, but I know the answer. Re Cymru, the Act legislating formation of limited and other companies prohibits certain words and requires permission to be first sought for others. You cannot use, e.g., Royal or UK in company names in their ordinary meanings. I can't remember the rules exactly, as I did this in 2003 and founded a company, founded a way round to create a company called Civitas Cymru. In the English version of the Act, anyone wanting to use Wales or Welsh in their company name must ask the permission if Her English Majesty's Most Loyal Minister of the Crown, the SOS for Wales. So in other words, you could get around using the word Cymru because they didn't understand what it meant in England, but now they've. So, yeah. But in translating the Act into Welsh, I found that either neglected to translate those words terms into Welsh, or someone decided that the Act in English only could apply to the English words as they alone were voted on. But unfortunately, now the Act goes over to Welsh language words. Absolutely great. Right, okay. Okay, I can't get through to Company's House at all. This is absolutely terrible. Oh, not good. Okay. Right, here we go. Anyway, no one can subsequently challenge me when I. So in other words, you can't use the word Welsh or Wales without special permission. Right, I'm going to end the call now because they are actually closed, so nobody's going to answer now. So on 3, 2, 1. So in other words, I've tried. So I've sent an email, Company's House, an email which I read out earlier on, and so I'll end this call now. So this is live, and whoever else is watching, I've got no ideas about how to deal with this. Apparently the procedure is that if you want to use the word Cymru for a charity, that's a charity, you've got to get special permission from Company's House. So let me read that again. So you need consent from you need consent from Company's House to register a charity. Now, a charity is a different legal entity than a company, but you've got to go through to Company's House to register a charity using the word Cymru. So in other words, I've spent 2 days doing an application. It's been rejected because we can't use the word Cymru. So I've got to do a brand new application, which is going to be extremely tedious. So so what we'll do, we'll keep this online anyway, and if anyone's got any comments to make. So I'm going to dash now. Anyway, thanks for listening to my ramblings. This is in public record. And I've got somebody else who's writing something online now, so I'll just read that out, and then we'll call it a day, really. And we'll go with that. Do you know what? Yes, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put something up on my Twitter. I'm just going to put something there. Right, okay, let's see what this says, and then we'll call it a day. Right, okay. So what we've got, however, a word of caution. You'd need to look the current Act up online and check the Welsh version of it. The Act has been updated to accommodate several new businesses of new business entity, and some bright spark might have spotted the inconsistency and corrected it. So yeah, you are right. Anyway, thanks for writing that up, Mark, and thanks for your assistance. I'm going to call this a day with my recording online. I know there's 3 of you online, so if you want to like and subscribe. I just want to mention that this is what we tried to register. Okay, it's now in the public domain anyway. They rejected that. They rejected it because of the word Cymru. Cymru is an illegal word and you can't use it. So you've got to get special permission. So anyway, I'm going to call this a day now. Thank you very much for watching. And this is me off Zoom. Thank you very much.